up everyone, Steve here again from RC Tanks and Trucks 24/7. Check out this awesome thing. It's a Musa Hoglet V-twin upgraded model. You can run it on Kero or like lighter fluid, just basic gas, and you just need to add 25:1 oil into the mix, and that's it. But how cool does this look? Traditionally, you can start it with the drill, but this one has a little kickstart. Now it's brand new. I just wanted to run it in a little bit to see how it goes. So first probably a couple of times you use the drill start to get everything working, and then once it's run in, you can use this kickstand. But check out that. How cool does that look? It's got a little spring here, so it always comes up, as you can see, and you can push this back around to get it out of the way. So pull down that, and there you go. Hunky-dory. You can see here it's got gears that run across here to this shaft, and that shaft connects to the bottom end there, and it spins it over. Pretty easy. So V-twin configuration. Weighs about 1.2 kilos. It's 6.66 cc V-twin 4-stroke. Speed of around about 1,000 to 8,000 RPM, and 0.6 of a horsepower apparently. Interesting. So cooling method is air cooled, as you can see, and you do run a bit of oil into the mix. That's it. Recommends T2 oil. Comes with a battery, like a pack for 18650s, and all that CDI unit is underneath just there. And that's pretty much what it is. Little fuel tank up here, and you're ready to go. Down here is your timing, so you can adjust the timing if you like. Like I said, it's brand new, this thing. I just wanted to run it, see if it works, and it does. Here is, you have a little belt tensioner just there, and that's it. On and off switch, just like that, and you're ready to rock and roll. So I'll get the camera set up and we'll try and start her. All right, first thing, turn it on and let's give it a kick. Try that again. Yeah, it's going to get better as you run it in. Like I said, this is a couple of times I've started it. Let's try one-handed. This is the timing here. Sweet. Under here is your cam. What do you guys reckon? Like I said, it'll run better every time you use it. But yeah, links down below if you want to check it out, guys. Really cool, something different. I do like the this. You know, I think it's I just think it's pretty cool. You know, as to the fun of it, you don't really need a drill starter, and once it gets run in, it'll start up easier each time. But yeah, all right, guys, let me know what you think. Cool little engine, and I'll see you in the next one.